Imagine planning a whole trip in a foreign country with a full list of daily itineraries just to forget about the visa requirements and then fail border control. The same thing happens when you design beautiful campaigns or transactional emails but fail to set up email authentication. Your emails get flagged as spam or bounce back from the border crossings of the spam filters. Continue watching to find out what email authentication is and how it affects your email deliverability. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. Email authentication is the process of establishing whether the sender is legitimate or not. It's used to answer the following questions. Is the sender who they claim to be? Was the message spoofed during transmission? Is the message coming from an authorized sending domain? How should messages that fail authentication be treated? Different email authentication protocols answer these questions, either SPF, DKIM, DMARC, or BIMI. Which protocol answers those questions isn't about who raises their hand first, it's about what each of them does. SPF validates if an email was sent from an authorized IP address. DKIM associates a message with the authorized sending domain. It shows that a sender is legitimate and has the right to send emails from a particular domain. DKIM also checks if the signed fields have been changed during transmission. DMARC is more of a policy than a traditional email authentication protocol. It leverages SPF and DKIM, performs alignment checks, instructs servers on what to do if either of these protocols fails, and provides reports on each check to detect spoofing immediately. Finally, there's BIMI. It enables the use of brand-controlled logos within the supporting email clients. So if the email is sent from a legitimate company or brand, their logo will be displayed in the recipient's email client. To learn more about each of these protocols, watch our dedicated videos. All the links will be in the description below. Before February 2024, having SPF, DKIM, and DMARC set up was a recommendation for high-volume senders. But now, this has shifted from a recommendation to a requirement. Watch our dedicated video to learn more about new requirements from Google and Yahoo. Without email authentication protocols, there's no way to confirm the legitimacy of the sender. So the emails may go to spam directly, reducing email deliverability rates. A robust email sending solution like Mailtrap email sending won't allow you to send emails to your recipients unless your domain is verified and authenticated with proper DNS records. This way, it protects your sender reputation from dropping and your recipients from spam abuse. That wraps up our quick overview of email authentication. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure all in one place. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!